Changing out Simplex duct detector. Please like, subscribe, leave any comments. We're up here now. Let me get this adjusted so you can see. So the main reason I want to do this was show you, when it's in trouble. You see this LED lit up right here. Solid. Or, like it'll be flashing otherwise. Meter or anything like that for this one. All I need is a screwdriver and a new head. These little tabs, people tend to break these off. Be careful with that. already know what this is, but I'm just showing y'all what I do. I take the old one off, verify the part number is the same. For this, 4098 9714. So look in here, 9714. So same one. You can actually feel the dirt on it. So what I do is I change it out. I'm also going to take a picture of the dip switches and the fact that I replaced the head. So I'm going to verify my dip switches. So I don't have my dip switch calculator on this particular phone here, so I'm going to go back in the picture and just add it up. But as you can see, my light's flashing, so that tells me that it's the right one. So that's how it flashes now. So you give it just a little bit, just to be thorough. So the only ones that are on are 4 and 5. So that'll be so that adds up to 24. It's easier if you're new to this just to get the calculator, but you really need to know how to do it in case you run into a situation like I'm in right here. The first one is 1, so 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 4, because you can add up 1 plus 2 equals 3, so that's why it's 4. The next one's 8, the next one's 16, so on, so on, so on, so on. There's all kinds of charts online you can see, but it's good to know how to do that. Alright, well that's it. It's working normal now, so it's flashing like it's supposed to. I'm gonna snap the thing on and I'll let y'all ride with me back down. And like I said, please like and subscribe, and if you got any questions about fire alarm, leave it in the comments below. The reason I changed this one out is because it was dirty. I mean, you can clean them, but as high up as this thing is, I don't want to have to come back up just because it didn't get, it comes back in 2 weeks or something like that. So just go ahead and replace it. Got the cost of a duct detector versus a service trip out here. In case you're wondering what I'm using here, it's a Milwaukee screwdriver. This battery lasts me like a really long time with this. I like this better than the DeWalt. I've had both. And see, I'm not pushing, I'm not bearing down on it because I don't want to break this plastic housing. Some people break these housings because they run into an impact like that. That one's broke. Somebody's already done that. See right here in this corner, it's broke off, so I'm just not going to leave it like it is. broke it. Alrighty. Take you down. We're gonna leave it here, or am I moving it back to the back? Right here?